Hey there! Today we're going to be making little earrings, or at least the pair to this earring. Show you how to weave some Byzantine. I have a bunch of 18 gauge 5/32 rings here lined up, including a color that isn't actually needed. And I'm going to show you right now with a much larger ring about opening and closing the rings, because they're all offset like this when you get them because they're cut from a coil. For opening, I just open it up a little bit like that. Usually actually open it up a little bit more like that because I'm wanting to be able to scoop rings more easily. And then when closing, I press a bit toward, push the ends a bit toward each other so that they almost click when closing, and then wiggle back and forth so that it's nice and smooth and you can't even tell that it's there. And now, get started. I'm going to pick up a open orange ring with 2 black rings on it. I'm going to add an additional 2 red rings to it. They just don't sit as well on the table with 4 rings. I'm going to close the orange ring. And then, because this is Byzantine, I'm going to double that up. Put the second orange ring through the exact same path that the first one is through. And close. And it looks a bit wrong for going in rainbow order right now because it's black, then orange, then red, but we'll fix that here shortly. And to make things a little bit easier on ourselves, we're going to take another black ring. We're going to loop it through the 2 that are on our little section so far and put our ear wire on it. This just gives something a little bit easier to hold on to. Some people will put like a twist tie or a paper clip on there. This way you've got just more of the project done. Now holding onto the project, I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer so that you can see better what I'm doing. We're going to open up the 2 red rings and flip them back. You can see here they're folded all the way back. We're going to open up the orange rings, so there's a little opening there, and take our first yellow ring and put it through the 2 red rings to lock that into place. And then we're going to close the yellow ring. And then double it up. And close. And we have our first little half of a full Byzantine unit here. With our red, our orange, and then our yellow. Now we're going to take a blue ring with 2 green on it, loop through the yellow, and close. Then double it up with a second blue ring. And close. Then just like before, we have the colors looking like they're in reverse order because we haven't flipped the rings back yet. I'm going to take, open, and flip the green rings back. And separate the blue so that we can get the purple rings into locking through the green rings. And then close. Sorry about how blurry it is. My camera was not being agreeable. Second purple and close. Then here, I pick up a pink ring that isn't actually needed. Brush it to the side. Grab an open black ring that is actually needed. Put my little spike charm on it. Close the black ring. And now our entire little earring is done. Thank you for stopping by and watching. Hope you enjoy.